here is how to make Phone by Google the default caller ID and spam app if it isn't already. Go to Settings, then go to App and Notifications. Then you're going to go ahead and click on Default Apps. And right where you see caller ID and spam app, go ahead and click that. And once you're there, you will be able to select Phone by Google. Even though it says phone, it is Phone by Google. You'll be able to select that as the default caller ID and spam app. It says that it would allow you to identify calls, block spam, and robocalls, and blacklist unwanted numbers. I also have another video relating to this that is called How to Stop Spam on Android, where I show how Phone by Google and Messages, which is also by Google, can greatly reduce the amount of spam that is coming to your phone. You can click on the link that is in the description below. That is all that I have for you. Stay safe.